When your sweet tooth hungers for a candy bar, make our copycat Snickers bar. Place 1 cup of chocolate chips and 3 tablespoons of peanut butter in a double boiler. No double boiler? No problem. You can make your own double boiler with a saucepan and a heat-proof bowl that can sit inside the saucepan. Just make sure the bowl doesn't touch the water in the saucepan. First things first, prepare a baking dish. Coat the bottom of the dish with cooking spray and line it with parchment paper. Pour the chocolate mixture into the prepared baking dish. Use a spatula to smooth it out evenly. This will keep your candy from sticking to the dish and give you the option of lifting the whole layered dessert out of the dish and onto a cutting board when it's done. Inspired by a treats affair, satisfy your craving with a homemade confection that tastes even better than the grocery store checkout line temptation. In a medium bowl, combine marshmallow fluff, peanut butter, and powdered sugar. Mix these ingredients until it forms a dough. Place the dough on top of the chocolate layer and use your fingers to evenly spread it out. Sprinkle with peanuts and gently press the peanuts into the dough. Voila! Layer 2. On to the caramel layer, also known as layer 3. Place caramels and cream in a saucepan and cook, stirring constantly until the caramel mixture is melted and smooth. Immediately pour the melted caramel over the dough and use the back of a wooden spoon to evenly spread it out. Place the baking dish in the refrigerator to set up the caramel layer. For the final layer, end as you began. Melt the remaining chocolate chips and peanut butter in a double boiler or small heat-proof bowl over boiling water. When the mixture is melted and smooth, spread the chocolate layer evenly.